Looks like we have a tropical storm making landfall near the Florida Panhandle. It has winds of around 40 miles per hour based on some gusts up to 50 knots. Um, Clearly on the northeastern quadrant. Clear LSC should be in the next few hours. Here's the radar image of it. Yep. Let's see. Clearly, it is a tropical storm. As you can see, here's earlier pictures of it. So that's what we got right now. It should be weakening over land. I think the NC should add it to the name storms, but that's my opinion.